everybody. This is Justina. Thank you for joining. I wanted to share with you a drink that I love making. I know there's so much going on in the world, and I hope this drink blesses you as it does to me. It helps me sleep, it helps with anxiety, it helps with stress, and it also has some really great benefits to boost your immune system, help with inflammation, your skin, and it's a very easy and quick drink to make. I have here rose, lavender, and hibiscus. All I do is put it in a jar, add my water, and cover it and let it brew overnight. The rose, the hibiscus, it smells so heavily. I love it. It smells so good. It makes me happy. I'm already happy holding it. Making this drink is easy as ABC. Yes. I feel so happy already. The rose, the lavender, the hibiscus, it smells so dreamy, so heavily. It just smells so good. I'm already happy. It makes me happy. It's just, yeah, I'm happy smelling it. All right, so let's get started before I fall asleep standing here. Remember I said it's easy as ABC. That's it. I'm gonna add, I have here 8 cups of water. Don't worry, I know about the hibiscus, I'll add it. Add 2 more cups from here. I like washing my hibiscus when I'm cooking with it, so I'll just put it in here. And that's it. Remember I said it is easy as ABC. And look at it. Remember I did say making this drink is easy as ABC. That's it. You don't do nothing to it and you just put it away. Let it brew overnight, and then the next day, which will be tomorrow, I will bring it out, I will strain it, and we will continue. That's it. It's easy as ABC. That's it. Put it in that way. You can see this beautiful drink. It's all ready. It has been brewing overnight, and I'm going to strain it and enjoy it. All right? Yes. It smells so good. I know I have said it so many times, but it really does smell really good, and I love it. It makes me happy. As I said, this drink, it's easy as ABC. You just strain it. It looked like I made a lot. And there's nothing wrong with it. Trust me, I will find a use for it. I have here with me 8 cups, and I still have a little bit left. I have honey, and of course you can use whatever sweetener you want to use. It is completely fine. And there you have it, my common relaxing drink that I love making. And of course I made a mess. There's nothing wrong with it. Thank you for watching. Remember, new videos are uploaded every Saturday. Remember to share the channel with your friends, comment, and like the videos. Thank you. See you next week. If you do try this drink, please let me know what you think. Do we have the same opinion, same feedback? Because this drink, as I said, makes me happy, relaxes me. And I want to know if it does the same thing for you, or maybe it's just me and it's in my head. But I love it. Let me know if you love it when you do try it. Thank you.